आपकी इंडस्ट्री में लेट से नए इंटीरियर डिजाइनर से जो अभी शुरू किए हैं या 2-3 साल पहले शुरू किए हैं, हर किसी का एक अपना ड्रीम है, अगर आप उन्हें एक पाथ देना चाहें कि लाइक उनको कैसे प्लान करना चाहिए अपना नेक्स्ट 5 ईयर 10 ईयर, तो व्हाट विल यू सजेस्ट, हाउ विल यू गिव देम a step by step plan?
Step by step plan over a podcast, even if I take another 15 minutes, will be difficult because there are no such defined steps. As I said earlier, that one thing which you need is perseverance, patience and persistence. You need to keep going, you need to keep going. Problems आएंगी life में, just keep, remove another problem, move ahead. और every step you take ahead, bigger you grow, bigger problems you will face. देखिए, अगर आप नए इंटीरियर डिजाइनर और नए आर्किटेक्ट हैं, you should not rush up to become a company or make a business in the very beginning.
Okay.
You should gain enough experience first. Today, we hire people with 1 year experience to 10-year experience, and even with good experiences and more than 10-year experience. I see this happening जहाँ पे ना अच्छे experience वाले लोग भी struggle कर रहे होते हैं to understand the complete aspects of a project. Even understanding the complete aspect of a business is a much wider thing. You need to know what marketing is, you need to know what sales is, you need to handle designing. वो तो architect interior designer हो, this is one domain where you are expert, right. Designing. But then उसकी execution भी होनी है. Of course, if you are not aiming to become a DNB company, you are only trying to become a consultant, then this is the only part. But कंसल्टेंट को भी बिजनेस तो कन्वर्ट करना है, तो सेल्स तो चाहिए, मार्केटिंग तो चाहिए, फिर उन डिजाइन्स खुद बना के देना है कि एक टीम हायर करनी है, तो टीम होगी तो एचआर भी आपको आना चाहिए, तो अब एचआर के बाद आपको फाइनेंसेस भी समझ आने चाहिए, और फिर ये सारी मैनेजमेंट भी होनी चाहिए. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर विच कोचिंग हेल्प मी, विच आई लर्न, एंड देन वी स्केल्ड अप. So you need to either have a mentor and coach, or you need to have a platform. I would promote intrapreneurship.
Okay.
I partner with architects and interior designers who have few years of experience of doing their own business but are not able to do well.
Okay.
We partner with them and then we help them grow by them taking care of design part only.
Okay.
Or adding project execution part only basis that person's capability. Because an interior designer and architect, उनके लिए finance is a different world. Marketing is a different world.
True.
We have all this with us. It's not, I'm saying I'm here to offer this to everyone, but there are many companies like Divine Innovation where you take your expertise, work on one department, make it as, ask for stake. So we offer partnership in terms of them being design partners.
Okay.
So then they grow there. So entrepreneurship को थोड़ा सा पीछे रख के intrapreneurship को पहले लाइए. Intrapreneurship में एक level पे पहुंच के, if this company with which you are working, if this helps you keep growing, stay there. If this company is not helping you grow, then you of course start on your.
So when you mention intrapreneurship, तो आप मतलब जैसा आपने बोला कि आप कंपनी में स्टेक देते हो, so is it like certain percentage in overall company, या फिर सिर्फ आप कमीशन की बात कर रहे हो?
It's not commissions. So it's basically you either have people who are your salaried partners or people who are your partners and have equity share with you in the organization or in the projects we work together.
Okay.
Ultimately, see, when your question was how a new interior designer and architect can scale up and grow.
Grow, true.
So growth is in terms of evolution, one by earning more money and two by learning more to deliver more value by creating better designs.
True.
So if you are your boss and you have your team, you cannot grow beyond what you know. Every project will teach you.
Right.
But if you work in a system, this system will teach you and make your growth faster.
Right.
Money, of course, is there in both the cases.
True. I think ये आइडिया वैसे काफी अच्छा है कि मतलब शुरू में आप कंप्लीट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को ना लेके जिसमें बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस हैं और फिर शायद आप स्टक हो जाओ उसमें, आप एक किसी ऐसी अच्छी कंपनी के साथ जो ऑलरेडी ग्रो कर रही है, आप उसके साथ जुड़ते हो, सीखने को मिल रहा है, ज्यादा रेवेन्यू भी आपको मिल रहा है. एंड आई थिंक अगर चीजें सही रहती जैसा आपने बोला तो ही कैन कंटिन्यू और ही कैन देन प्लान आफ्टर सर्टेन टाइम, राइट?